Okay, one more thing. You know, I was laughing about the things that I packed for this vacation. I packed my iPod, which is hilarious because I have not been able to update that iPod and I do not know how long because I got rid of that computer and the hard drive that went with it and I just never even attempted again. So imagine my delight and surprise when I rocked my whole workout yesterday to some old school Buster Rhymes. And anybody that knows me knows that that is the quickest way to put a smile on my face and put some pep in my step. So one of the excuse me, one of the surprise um, benefits of packing some crazy stuff like an iPod that has not been updated is that you get to reevaluate and renew your love affair with Busta Rhymes, honey. I am back in love. All right, that's it. I'm about to rock this ride, and you have a fantastic day.